Dr. Gary Castleberry here, instructor, but more importantly, co-coordinator in the design of COM 5233, Graphic Design and Portfolio Management. Now, let's break down the key terms of this course and understand the roles that it will play in what you can look forward to on educational front and also professional development. All right, let's start with graphic design. Graphic design is an area we've been itching to get students further into. I've really appreciated exploring the creative decision making that my undergrad students in the communication major have made in recent years at MacU. But I love being able to see where students of all majors might come at problem solving through the development of their visual communication stylistics. Now, we're assuming folks do not possess graphic design training in a formal or professional setting prior to taking this course. And so we're alleviating that concern immediately. Next, we are requiring that students complete 3 distinct graphic design exercises in the course. Now, this video is to give you a brief orientation of what that structure is going to look like. Every other week in the class, you're going to have a graphic design project. However, there will be provided first a tutorial lecture that you can access and screen. In fact, you can watch as many times as you want. You can speed up the time and watch it quicker. You can slow it down, replay, pause, whatever. It's going to be available for you. And it's going to walk you through some basic tutorial steps. And then there will be a separate set of instructions where you're emulating what you've just watched. And so what we're trying to do is just give students a healthy bit of introductory repetition with certain formats that are very standard practice in graphic design professionally and academically. All right. And let me also pause to make this point of clarification. There is an anticipation that in addition to the course readings, that our students are going to need to acquire at least the trial and possibly plus the first initial month of an Adobe Suite Cloud application. All right, and so we're going to need you to create an account and go ahead and invest in that. We want to think of it like a lower cost textbook. Traditionally, if you sign up and provide the right notification that it's for student learning purposes, right, and use your campus email to set up the account, you should be doing. You should be able to gain that access at less than 50% of its regular monthly cost. Now, the first month when you sign up a trial for it is free. And so I think the most fiscally responsible and fastest working students could actually complete all 3 tasks within that trial month. You're just going to have to work a little bit faster than the course pace, but it can be done. But at worst, we're anticipating you might have 1 month after that trial month that you are paying. So sign up for the monthly access to the Adobe Cloud Suite, and there are going to be 3 projects: 1 on Adobe Illustrator, 1 on Adobe Photoshop, and then 1 on Adobe InDesign. And so there will be a lecture tutorial with each of those, and then a breakout assignment with each one of those. We're going to have some resources for you to access, to practice on, but most importantly, you're going to need access to that online platform system, right? And access to the cloud coverage that it provides, all the tools within to be able to complete those tasks. This is going to be a well worth exercise, a strong investment, and again, it's open-ended in that you could continue to independently further engage in those and improve your skills once the course ends, or simply take lessons learned and then cancel that Adobe membership. All right, that is a look at our graphic design projects. Don't forget to watch the lecture first. It is everything to do with getting you oriented to the direction of the assignments. And we think that tackling these 3 specific areas will aid your growing knowledge of graphic design.